How to read and write science in English. Middle school first. Science. Structure and function of a cell. Cross-section of an animal cell. Cross-section of a plant cell. 이소점. cell membrane, cytoplasm, vacuole, centrosome, nucleus, ribosome, nuclear membrane, Golgi body, mitochondria, mitochondria, cell wall, chloroplast. A cell is a unit of life. It consists of a mass of living matters called protoplasm. Protoplasm is a complex jelly-like substance. In protoplasm, endless chemical activities are carried out to ensure the life of the cell. It's a mixture of many compounds arranged in an orderly manner. 70% to 90% of the protoplasm of a cell is water. The rest consists of mineral salt and organic compounds, but the exact nature of protoplasm is still unknown. It is too complex for us to understand all the detail of each organization. The protoplasm of a cell consists of three parts: nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane, or protoplasma membrane. Nucleus. The nucleus consists of a small spherical mass of dense protoplasm, nucleoplasm, which is surrounded by a membrane called the nuclear membrane. It is placed within the cytoplasm of a cell and controls the normal cell activities. The cell nucleus. Nuclear membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane, nucleus, nucleoplasm, chromatin, ribosomes, nucleophore. Within it, there are long stress structure called chromatin, DNA. The chromatin contains genetic material given by parents. This material controls the activities of the cell. During cell division, the chromatin thread contains and become highly coiled structure called chromosomes. The structure of chromatin: cell, nucleus, chromosome, chromatid, DNA, base pairs. Nucleus is responsible for the cell reproduction, which also needed to continue the life of the cell, as well as to repair worn-out parts. Cells without a nucleus, such as red blood cell of the mammal, are unable to reproduce and eventually die. Cytoplasm. The part of the protoplasm surrounding the nucleus in a cell is called cytoplasm. It usually forms the larger part of the cell and is the place where most life process occur. Some important organelles are contained in it. Among them, small spherical or rod-shaped organelles are called mitochondria. Mitochondria take a role in storing and releasing energy from food substance during cell respiration. The energy may be temporarily stored in small molecules called ATPs, adenosine 3-phosphate. They are like a battery in the cell. This energy may be used in performing vital activities such as growth and reproduction. Mitochondria, 0.2 micrometer. In several aspects, a plant cell is different from an animal cell. Plant cell may contain organelles called cytoplasm or chlorophyll. They are the green substance in plant which produce sugar using the energy from sunlight with carbon dioxide and water. A large vacuole is a space filled with blood enclosed by a membrane. It contains water and nutrients. Cell membrane. The cytoplasm is surrounded by a cell membrane called the plasma membrane, which is a partially permeable membrane which controls the passing of substance into and out of the cell. In a plant cell, there is a cell wall which encloses the wall cell. The cell wall product the cell from inside. Cell, tissues, organ, and system. Growth in organs involves cell division. New cell may change or develop into new tissues. This process of change is called differentiation. There are many different types of cells in organs. They differ in size and shape and perform different functions. A multicellular organism is composed of many cells. Different types of cells do different work. Cells of this type may be grouped together to carry out special functions. Such a group of similar cells performing a special function is called a simple tissue. An example of the simple tissue is the epithelial tissue. This is a sheet of cells which covers both the internal and external surface of the body. Plants have a similar tissue called epidermis. Another example of a simple tissue is muscle tissue. Epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue, connective tissues, bone, cartilage, blood. Some tissues may contain several types of cells, such as connective tissue within or between organs. However, every tissue has one function. Different tissue may be united to form an organ. Example, the stomach or a liver. An organ is a group of different cell tissue working together in order to enable the organ to perform its function. The stomach, for example, consists of glandular tissue which produces digestive juice. The muscular tissue is dissolved and mixed food well with the digestive tissue juice. And the connective tissue which connect the other tissue together. Additionally, the action of the stomach are controlled by the nervous tissue. So the stomach is made of 4 different kinds of tissue. Several organs working together for a special purpose, making up an organ system, such as the digestive system or the respiratory system. These various systems working together constitute the entire organism. Examples of plant organs include leaves, root, stem, and flowers. Level of organization: atom, molecular or compound organelle, cell, tissue, organ system, organism.